being joined right now by Reynolds. She's got this beautiful little shop called Harmonious Holistic Haven.
Yeah.
And we're in Delburne, Alberta. So tell me a little bit about you as a rider. What do you ride? What do you love to ride?
I ride a 2007 Harley Davidson Super Glide. I've been riding for about 15 years. Had a pretty good crash a while ago, but still riding, still the same bike. We rebuilt it, repainted it. I ride less now because of the store, but I'm still out as much as I can. I'm going out today, so that'll be good.
Right on.
Yeah.
And you also are responsible for a little show and shine that happens here.
Yeah, every year for us running it, we're on our 5th or 6th year. We close down Main Street. We invite all the local businesses, farmers market people, and vendors to come down. It's all 100% charity. We don't keep a single penny out of it. So it goes back into the community.
You are very community minded. You've got this beautiful little store, and this little store has become kind of a little bit of a passion, shall we say?
It started as a passion. So I was away. I was living at a wellness center, and I started getting into herbology. I was taking a lot of medications, and I didn't want to do that anymore. So I worked with my brother a little bit, and then just started taking courses and learning about herbs and plants that grow around us. And I got myself off my medications. So when I was coming back to Delburne, I decided, why don't I share this? So that's kind of where it started, was I'd like to share that you don't have to take all these pain pills. Western medicine has its place. I have nothing bad to say about it, but it's my passion to be able to help people naturally. Started developing pain bombs, tinctures. The tinctures I really swear by because nobody likes to drink a lot of tea, so I push the tinctures quite a bit. And the tea is a supplement. It's a maintenance thing for what I tell my regular patients. Stay on your tincture every day, but keep up with your teas. And if they don't want the tincture, the teas work fine. They just take longer.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So when I look around this little store, there's all these beautiful tinctures and herbs and balms and plants and things that you're growing and drying and all of that wonderful stuff. But then I noticed there's these incredible baskets and there's all kinds of crystals.
Well, I have a lot of space, and to fill this space with just herbs and tinctures didn't seem viable to me, so I invited local artists, not necessarily just from Delburne, but people from my area, so Central Alberta, Red Deer, Alex, that kind of thing, to come bring their product in, because a lot of people don't have the ability to have a storefront on Main Street. They're just doing things online. So I said, bring your stuff down here. Let's try and get it sold. The honey comes from just outside of town here. She's called Hamlet Honey, and herself, she's just on a farm. So they have to go to markets all the time, and here is a regular place people can just stop in and pick up their product. And that's going very well. And of course it helps me a little bit because it brings more people in. Right? Somebody wants a crystal, they come in and then they see my stuff, and we team up. It works out really well.
Well, and any time that small business can work together, it's advantageous to everybody involved.
Absolutely, support each other. We're all here for the same reason. We want to share what we do, and we want to make a little bit of money in the background. We all need money to live, so supporting each other is the only way to do it. There's no room for pettiness and competition.
What is one thing you would love people to know about Delburne?
How community minded it is. Everybody helps everybody. Like the people across the street, if their car won't start, I'll go over and give them a hand. I'm locked out of my building. They'll find a way to get in. I knew when my kids grew up here, I'd be at work and I'd know what they were doing before I got home. If they were doing something wrong, somebody would call me and tell me this is what's happening, or if they were hurt, or if they were sick. So we all just support each other, no matter, even if we're not friends, we know who everybody is. It's a small town.
Yeah.